Hey everyone, so I found this little recipe of how you can make a pumpkin cake in your mug in a microwave, and so I thought I would just test it out today, seeing as it's October and all, and show you what I thought. So yeah, so you're gonna need a mug, obviously, because it's a mug cake, and you're gonna need some measuring spoons and a microwave too. And in addition to those little things, you're gonna need 4 tablespoons of flour, a 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of milk, a 1/2 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of pumpkin puree, an 1/8 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, an 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and some pumpkin spices. So I'm just gonna mix it all together, and yeah. So once it's all well and combined, you can chuck it in your microwave oven, and you're gonna nuke that for about 1 minute and 20 seconds. Once it's done, just take it out. Now you have a little snap. Perfect for a frigid fall afternoon. And then you're ready to eat or share it. I don't really care what you do with it, but it's ready, it's done. You're good to go. So overall, I would say not bad. It's pretty good. The texture, a little weird, but taste, it's not bad. It's not a bad taste. Overall, 4 to 5 stars. I'd give it 4 stars. Pretty good, especially considering it's from a microwave, and it's easy, it's quick, pumpkin-y, and that's that. See you next time.